Hi everyone. In today's video, let us talk about blind transfers. If you want to transfer an existing call to an alternate number, we can use the blind transfer feature. For example, we can transfer the call to our mobile number, that is transferring the call out of NICE CX. So when the call moves out of NICE CX, the call recordings won't be available in such cases as the transferred calls are not monitored or recorded. As you can see on the portal, after the blind transfer is executed, NICE CXone ports are no longer used, so you won't be billed for the NICE CXone ports which were being used. Also, if the transfer fails, NICE CXone cannot recover the calls because the call would move out of the NICE CXone environment. So if you transfer the call to your cell phone number, it moves out of NICE CXone environment to your service provider. Hence, NICE won't be able to record the call. Now, as it says here, once blind transfer is executed, reporting and call control is no longer possible in NICE CXone. Now, let us look at the call flow. As you can see here, begin triggers the hours action. If the hours of operation profile show the contact center to be open, the call will get routed to an available agent. If the contact center is closed or on a holiday, blind transfer routes the call to an alternate phone number which we set in the blind transfer properties. Let us now log into NICE Studio Spring to show you how it looks. I click on blind transfer. As we discussed during work hours, the call will automatically get routed to an agent with the mapped skill, and if it is after hours, it will get routed to the alternate number instead of playing the after hours announcement. We can edit this number to which the call will get transferred. Hope you got to learn something today. Thank you and see you in the next.